Five little ducks splashed in the sun, waddled and giggled, having fun. Quacky Quack said, "Let's play today," and one little duck swam far away. Four little ducks danced in a line, flapping their wings, feeling fine. Quacky Quack sang, "Time to play," and one more duck swam far away. Three little ducks whirled in the breeze, hopping and sliding near the trees. Quacky Quack quacked loud, yay, 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 and one little duck swam far away. Two little ducks played peekaboo, diving deep in water so blue. Quacky Quack laughed, what a day! Then one more duck swam far away. One little duck felt all alone, flown quietly on a stone. Quacky Quack called, "Come back and play," and all the ducks swam back, hooray! Five little ducks at the pond once more, splishing, splashing by the shore. Quacky Quack cheered, hip, hip,